Hey guys, welcome back to my channel.
Hi.
There's the wife. So I always wondered if it was possible to make good money thrifting. Now we don't thrift a lot, maybe just books, and if we find things here and there. So I was thinking maybe we should start our own thrifting challenge. $0 to $10,000 with whatever we can find at thrift stores. We're gonna do books through Amazon, and we're only going to include the books we sell, not potential profit, right? Mm-hmm. And yeah, we'll see what happens. It might take us, you know what, we'll do, what, a month?
A month maybe?
No, we'll do 6 weeks, just to be safe.
Okay.
All right, so the challenge will be 6 weeks, 0 to 10,000, and this also includes stuff we sell on Facebook Marketplace, maybe StockX if we find something new that's worth quite a bit.
Yep.
Yeah.
eBay as
eBay.
well. Yep.
I think we should also include my returns. I have so many Lego returns and toys. It's just sitting in the basement. I don't know what to do with it. I know I should eBay it, but eBay takes quite a while. I mean, we're not eBay experts, so we're not good at eBay at all. Like we even though we've been on it for like 7 years, we don't do it full time, and I mean barely part time. All right, 0 to 10,000. That's the challenge.
Oh, we can do it.
In 6 weeks. All right, we just drove to the first location. It's Value Village.
Yes, it is.
All right, so hopefully we'll get some good books and find other stuff.
And there's also a thrift store and Dollarama.
Yeah, I guess we'll check those.
Check it out.
Yeah. All right, so let the challenge begin.
Let's go. Did you find anything good?
Got a banger already.
Woo!
$6. Pretty expensive. But that sells for 50 or maybe 30. Not bad.
But if you buy 4, you get 1 free, right?
Apparently, yep.
Okay. Let's get more of these. Have you found anything good yet? What'd you find?
Alright, so I found a super banger. I'm not gonna show you guys what it is because there's no sellers on it. But the rank's under 100,000. It sells for about 150. It's a winner, man.
Winner.
Chicken dinner.
Winner, chicken dinner. There it is.
We did pretty good so far. We found about like 30 books. Probably more, yeah.
Star Wars though.
Like a staff? It's cheap. It's probably worth something.
Oh, I'm gonna check on eBay actually. $10.
This is like the zombie kit.
That's perfect. That's what I wanted for my collection.
It's missing a cover.
That's okay.
It's got a compressor for some weird reason.
Maybe it's a compressor as well.
Oh, it's a radio, compressor.
A light, antenna.
Wow.
Whoa, this is neat. I just want this for me.
There's an Xbox here for $21. So I saw this box. Just from far away, it looked amazing. And doing a little bit of research on it, brand new. It sells for like $300. I don't know if it's complete or not, but I'll take the risk for $15. Why not, right? All right, so we got 21 books and this thing here. I don't know how I'm gonna sell this. Maybe eBay, Facebook. I don't know. If you guys want it, let me know. But we paid $14, I think.
Yeah.
Okay, second location, the thrift store,
Yes.
Salvation Army.
Salvation Army.
Let's go.
Let's go. We got bins outside.
Can I see the Legos?
The one that's not opened in the middle.
Star Wars? Yeah, that one and the one next to it. Is this on seal? Oh.
That's not sealed.
Made from Walmart, so I don't know if it has every piece inside as well.
Oh, okay.
Like I think this one we wrote on it, it doesn't have the characters.
Missing all of the troopers. We didn't really find anything for books, but we did find this. $5. And how much was it going for, Chris?
Like 100 used.
100 used, yeah.
They had no ranking, but there was like 250 reviews.
Yeah, that's pretty good.
So, which pretty much means it's sold out or hasn't sold in a long time. Look at this.
Let's keep looking.
You guys know anything about trains? Little wooden train here. Alright, so the thrift store was a bit of a bust. We got one book. They had Legos in there, but they wanted so much money.
It wasn't worth it.
It wasn't worth it. Whatever. You can't win all the time.
Chris, let's go eat now.
Let's go eat. Alright, so we're gonna go eat Burger Priest.
Yes, let's go.
And then we're gonna head home. So it was a decent day. We got about 22, 23 books.
Yep.
Alright guys, so I just got home from sourcing, and one thing I forgot to tell you guys is that last night I actually sold a Lego set, Millennium Falcon set for 120 bucks. Someone's picking this up today in about 10 minutes. And I got some more stuff in there that they might want. Yeah. And what shocked me the most was the second I posted the item up on Facebook, I got like 20 DMs like right away. So I knew I underpriced it, but you know, it is what it is.
Day 2.
Alright guys, so it's day 2.
Hey.
We're at the third location, another Value Village, and hopefully we will get some good stuff here.
What do you think? Hotter than here so long.
How's it going?
Not good.
I found a few bucks. Nothing too crazy though.
Not like the other day.
Yeah. Oh, you have a good days and your bad days. I mean, it's still pretty early, so. Sometimes you just see these big, fat, juicy biology books. Always good. Alright, so I found this banger. And guess what?
Jonathan's twin sister.
Found another one. Twin bangs. That sounds weird. That just sounds wrong. Alright, so we got 30 books. It started off pretty slow. The last 2 sections were pretty good. Found like 20 good books, over $30, $40. Now we're gonna go eat because we haven't ate nothing yet.
We didn't have coffee.
We didn't have our coffee yet. Alright, so we're trying to find a place to eat, but we found a Marshall, so we're gonna go in there quick. Alright guys, so we're heading to our second Value Village of the day, right there.
With our coffee.
Yeah, it's snowing pretty bad. We might just go home after this. So I haven't seen this set ever in my life. Could be super good. I don't know. Huh?
That's cool.
$4. I'll take the risk. Or $5.
You can open and check what's inside.
Yeah, I'll check. Got one of these, brand new. But I mean, whatever. These don't sell that good online. Alright, do you guys know anything about baseball cards? I found these, a whole bunch of them. I don't know what I'm looking for because I don't sell baseball cards, but on eBay, the set sells for about 30 bucks. Alright guys, so I'm recording with my phone because the camera died. And yeah, what are those? We grabbed like 20 of them. I did my research kind of quick, couldn't find too much about it.
It's from 1986 and one from 1989.
Yeah, the baseball cards. But I'll take the risk. Yeah, so if you guys know anything about baseball cards, let me know if you know anything about these. And maybe we'll send you guys one. It's gonna be a long drive home, like an hour, 2 hours maybe?
Around an hour.
An hour and a half. So we're back from sourcing. We did go to 4 stores, 2 yesterday, 2 this morning. And I am recording with my phone, so if it sounds weird, take it easy on me. So my camera died, it's being charged, and I want to get this video out as soon as possible. Now let me remind you of the rules. It's $0 to $10,000 within, like I think 5 or 6 weeks. We'll do 1 episode a week to see how far we actually get. It's gonna be fun. The rules are only things we find at thrift stores. It's gonna be mostly books, guys. We don't really know anything about vintage t-shirts or old toys or even Legos or old stuff. I don't know any about that. Unless I feel very comfortable and want to take the risk, then you'll see me post about it. Like we did get some baseball cards. I don't know anything about baseball cards either, but it was only $75, and I don't mind losing the $75 if 1 or 2 cards are bangers. So I'm also going to include my Amazon returns. The way I see it is I already bought it. I already took a loss on it, so might as well just try to sell it on Facebook Marketplace, eBay, or wherever I can. We're also going to include anything I get for free. I actually got something from my sister yesterday that we're going to post on eBay. She didn't want it, so that's going to go up. So yeah, anything for free. And I would say garage sales, but it's January in Canada. There's no garage sales. There's nothing, but maybe estate sales or flea markets. The flea market stuff I won't sell on Amazon, strictly eBay. So those are the rules. So we already went out. We started early. As of right now, we have 87 books we sourced. 9 were free. It cost us about $365 for those books. They're $5 up here. It's crazy. I see some people post like they pay $1 or $2 for books in the US. Here we get dinged up here, man. It's not fair, but it is what it is. I do think the book market here is a little bit better because we could sell things at a premium. Now, I also found baseball cards. I don't know anything about baseball cards, so I'm going to go through them. Now, if 1 or 2 are good and I get my money back, that'll be fine. Maybe that was a mistake. I don't know. We'll see. All right, so I did get an Amazon return. It was a Millennium Falcon set. I think I sold it for $380, I believe, during Q4, and it got returned for whatever reason. So I posted that on Facebook Marketplace, and I got DMs right away. Like I got 10 off the bat, and I think I underpriced it, but I did have a guy rush down and he paid $120 for it. It was a good flip because it was a return and I wasn't going to get anything for it anyway. So we'll put that here. So $120, yes. We're not in the hole too much. All right, so we also listed a few things on eBay, and if you know anything about Lego, if you spend enough with them, they'll give you things like this. This was a Oktoberfest promotion. If you spend like $250, you get one of these for free. We have 4 of those, and we put one up to see if it would sell. It's got like 9 bids already, so yeah, I think these are gonna go on eBay, and I did get these for free because they were gifts. So once they sell, I'll add that to the total. We are only 2 days in, and I'm already kind of rethinking it. Like, should we do it? It's a lot of work. So this is gonna be episode 1. We're gonna do 6 episodes. So I think that's it for this video. If you guys enjoyed it, got anything out of it, like always, subscribe, like, and leave a comment if you haven't. And we'll see you on episode 2. All right, bye.